Welcome, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the future of smartphones with Motorola's latest innovation, the Adaptive Display Smartphone. Buckle up, because this device isn't just a phone. It's a chameleon of technology that bends, flexes, and adapts to your needs. Lenovo Tech World 2023. The stage is set, the spotlight shines, and there it is, the Motorola Adaptive Display Concept Phone. A sleek, futuristic design with a 6.9-inch Full HD Plus POLED display. But wait, this isn't your typical slab-style phone. It's a shapeshifter. Flexibility is the name of the game. You can bend this phone backwards, wrap it around your wrist like a smartwatch, or even prop it up like a mini tripod. Need a hands-free experience?
Voilà.
The Adaptive Display Concept stands tall, offering you convenience like never before. Lay it flat, and you've got a standard Android phone experience. The 6.9-inch screen comes alive, giving you all the app-swiping goodness. But wait, there's more. Adjust it to a self-standing position, and suddenly you have a 4.6-inch display, perfect for quick glances and notifications. Imagine wrapping this beauty around your wrist like a chic smartband. It's like having a mini external display a la the iconic Motorola Razr Plus. Check notifications, see the time, and flaunt your tech-savvy style, all in one wrist-friendly package. Additional features. Self-healing material. Oh, did I mention? The Adaptive Display Concept uses self-healing material. Minor scratches and scuffs vanish like magic. No more fretting over screen protectors. Customizable form factors. Want a curved display for gaming? Done. Need a flat surface for productivity? It adapts to your preferences. Your phone, your rules. Multitasking magic. Run two apps side by side, and if you need more space, just unfold the display further. It's like having a mini tablet in your pocket. Gesture controls. Wave your hand over the curved edge, answer calls, skip songs, launch apps, all without touching the screen. Abracadabra. Smartphone style. Eco-friendly design. Sustainable materials, less energy consumption, and fully recyclable. Mother Earth approves. Advanced camera system. Flip the phone into camera mode, and the display becomes your viewfinder. Perfect shots, every time. Security features. Built-in biometric sensors recognize your unique fingerprint patterns. No more pesky passwords. But when will this marvel hit the stores? That's the million-dollar question. For now, let's revel in the possibilities. Motorola's Adaptive Display Concept hints at a future where our phones seamlessly adapt to our lifestyles. So, fellow tech explorers, keep your eyes peeled. The bendable revolution is upon us, and Motorola is leading the charge. Until then, stay curious, stay flexible, and remember, the future is in your hands.